But if I'm paying my $3,000 a year, which let's be more realistic, if I'm paying my $27,000 a year in homeowners insurance,
have you gotten a quote lately?
Yeah, and I'm not that far off. I'm not that far off. Mine is now 6. I promise you, folks, don't live in an amazing. I love my house, but it's not worth $6,000 in coverage. But that's okay. That's the market. But when I pay $6,000. I got to tell you, if I make a claim, you damn sure better pay it. Right. And that's what you're wanting. If you're paying the money.
That's right.
If they don't come through at the end because they're like, ooh, sorry. Well, I know we charged you $3,000 when we should have charged everyone $6,000, but now there's no money in the kitty to actually repair your roof and replace it or to replace your home from a fire.
That is a great point. I had that happen back in 2011, 2012. Both, I think it was those 2 years, either 10 and 11 or 11 and 12, where we had major storms come through the middle of Dallas-Fort Worth. And when a major storm that produces tornadoes and strong wind, when it comes through the middle of town, it's usually...
It's ugly.
It's rough.
It's ugly, yeah.
It's a big storm. And I remember we were in Irving and we watched the funnel cloud go over the top of our building and then it hit somewhere around Northwest Highway. But I remember that, and I remember that there was a couple of insurance companies who had come into the market that were really inexpensive, and they actually went bankrupt as a result of those storms. That's what happens. So what happens when a company can't pay its bills? It gets taken over by the state.
Which, by the way, isn't that a fun process?
Yeah, it gets taken over by the state, and the state stops everything and just pays out claims and closes out the company. That's it.
Yeah. But again, not that any claim is a fun process, because obviously something that has happened and then it's just, so you're dealing with an emotional thing and then it's also whatever. But
no, I'll tell you a flip side.
But you get the state and anything government involved touching it. Brutal.
Well, yeah.
And you're not getting the full amount because they don't really care. They got to write a check and do something it's brutal.
What they do with the trash can, or not trash can, the gas can, whenever the government got involved. So you may not know that, but they screwed the gas can up bad.
I don't know.
It used to be a really easy process to use a gas can. Now you got to be able to stand on your head and,
Really?
Oh, it's crazy. So, but anyway, let's get past that.